All right, here's how I landed a freight train of a black drum from my local bridge. Here, I'm rigging up my offshore bait runner setup. It's got 80-pound braid, 80-pound fluorocarbon leader, and it's tied to a 1.5-ounce circle hook jig. For bait, half a blue crab. Simple, but deadly. Simply cut or twist off one of the crab legs, run the tip of your hook through the opening into the body and out the top of the shell. Then I simply pitch out the crab and wait for the line to get tight or slack. Here, I'm simply reeling in the line so it gets tight and then flipping on the bait runner switch. While fishing for mangrove snapper, I noticed the line went slack, and knowing the current wasn't strong enough to do that, I knew something must be munching on that blue crab. Fish on!
Can I get a hand on the net? You should just be able to toss the spool out. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. That's cool, man. That didn't take no time at all.
No, we didn't. We were down here for like an hour and a half. Yep.
A little lower. With one clean swoop, it was game over. Big black drum
All right.
in the net.
Got him.
Nice catch, y'all.
Hell yeah. Woo!
Big thanks to these fellows for the net assist. This would have been difficult to do
That was
by
awesome.
myself.
That's exactly how I envisioned it to go. Appreciate it.